Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to follow people in Roblox. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to roblox.com. Then, log in to your Roblox account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Roblox homepage. Now, we're ready to find someone to follow. At the top of the screen, click the search bar and type the username of the person you want to follow. Then, press enter and click on the People tab to filter the results. When you see their profile, click on their name to open it. On the profile page, you'll see a big follow button. Just click it. Once you do, it will change the following, which means you're now following that player. You can see all the people you follow under your friends and following tab. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.